Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Friday, May the 17th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading for the session so far. The Dow Jones is up 60 points. The Comp Q is up 14.5. The Russell 2000 is up 7.25. The S&P is up 7.5 points. We take a look at the commodity space here. USO crude oil is up 30 cents via the USO ETF. GLD is down $2.21. Continues to get smashed. The GDX down 70 cents. Remember the price target on that one is if these gold and precious metal stocks keep on moving lower. GDX is like at 21. So there's still some more downside potential in that. There, copper showing some strength today. We're seeing some weakness in silver as well. Down 32 cents on the SLV. One thing that I've been noticing for the past couple of days, we're starting to see some strength in some of the growth commodities like copper and crude oil, but some of the other commodities like gold and GDX and precious metals are trending lower. They're moving lower. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the charts here, starting off with the S&P. This is a 5-minute chart you're seeing on the right-hand side. We had a nice little open. We had a nice little gap higher. Pulled back to the 1653.25 level that held. We then came into our little price resistance zone against the previous day's highs in that 1657 level, and this provided you a great opportunity. Actually gave you a great opportunity for the long side on the ES. And then if you were able to get short up here towards versus yesterday's highs, there was a good opportunity to get short on the break of the 1657 level, which we caught in the chat room there. And now at 1657 levels holding as resistance, and we're in this kind of like this little triangle pattern going on right here, a little compression pattern. Take a look at the 15-minute chart. We're still working inside the lower end of this little big sell bar that we had right here. So kind of like a little bearish action, big sell bar, sideways action in the lower 50% range of that bar. 30-minute chart, same thing here. Got rejected at the supply zone, 1657, 1658 half. Let's see. Let's go and take a look at these new charts I got up for us here. Basically tracks the trend of the ES 5-minute closing prices. If it prints a consecutive green, that means it's a consecutive higher close. If it prints a consecutive red, that means it's a consecutive lower close. So therefore, you can see that right now we're just chopping around. We had some good action here to the downside. Pretty much just helps us gauge with the trend. On the 15-minute chart, you can see we're slowly moving lower, making lower closes on the 15. On the 5-minute chart of the Russell 2000, nice little up move, pull back, and they're trying to buy it back up again here. The Russell 2000 is trading the cleanest today. The NASDAQ is trading the choppiest here. You can see up, down, just a choppy mess. So if you're trading the markets and you're trading the indexes, you want to look at the Russell 2000 or the ES there, S&P 500. If we take a look at some of these ETFs here, since I know some of you home gamers out there trade the ETFs, SPY opened up at 165.95, got rejected at previous day's highs around 166.36, and same thing, just like the ES is trading this little bearish pattern a bit here, big down bar, sideways action in the lower 50% range. If we break below the opening price and start holding below that, I think we can make a move back down towards 165.80 or so, and maybe get some gap fill action potentially. If we take a look at the triple Qs and NASDAQ is the weakest here. If we break below 73.75, we can maybe get some gap fill action as well. And then we have the IWM right here, the 15-minute chart, which is showing some strength today, the strongest index on the board today here. If it holds previous day's highs and the market starts to reverse back up, watch this 98.50 level on the IWM. As far as some stocks goes here, one stock that we've been tracking for the past 2 days is this Cisco, CSCO, over the 24 level. Cisco had a big seller at 24 yesterday when we were watching it. One of the traders on the desk was watching it, and they were not able to break it past the 24 level. So let's take a look at it right now real quick here. All right, and Cisco, it broke past 24. This is a 5-minute chart. Right here, 15-minute chart, by the way. So broke past 24, rallied up to 24.25, previous day's highs. All right, and then we're back at this 24 level. They may do a little shake and bake back below this 24, but if we could put if we put it in a higher pivot low somewhere on this area, we get back above 24. Look for them to try to rally us back up towards 24.25. aside from that, you had some action in Cena. You had some action in the financials. The financials are taking off today as well. But right now, we're getting some sell action. So watch the S&P to possibly make a move back down towards that 1653 level. In any case, hope you guys are having a great day so far, and I'll catch you guys after the close for the after the bell market summary. Have a good night. Have a good day. Cheers.